Guangzhou Dayun Motorcycle Co. Limited is a modern professional enterprise integrating motorcycle research and development, manufacturing, sales, service, import and export trade. Founded in 2008, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of street bike, dirt bike, scooter, tricycles, etc. It has 2 domestically advanced suspension motorcycle production lines, 4 packaging production lines, 2 engine production lines, laser modeling machines, Chias dynamometers, exhaust gas analyzers and other world-class professional testing machines for motorcycle manufacturing and research and development. We are located in the economically developed central city of the Pearl River Delta, Guangzhou, covering an area of more than 33,535 square meters with more than 550 employees, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have passed ISO 9001 Quality Systems Certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification, and 3C Certification, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Asia, Africa, South America. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.